Here is my entryway. You can see, just haven't really done anything with it. So you'll need your tile, and I'll show you how those kind of fit. A dry microfiber cloth to help you kind of press the tile down, scissors or a utility knife, and possibly a measuring tape. And it's going to fit perfectly. Floors are all clean and nice and dry. So you also probably want to wear socks and not shoes when you're doing this too. Just a little tip. So let's get started. Alright, so you can see all of my full pieces are done. Now the rest of them around the edge are going to need to be cut. So we'll get started on that, and I'll show you how to measure and cut for that. How amazing it looks. This is exactly what I wanted. It's a nice welcoming, a nice hello and first impression for when they walk into our house.